sene yedi kan akan afiwe butaya yedi si ene so ene se ti say me nwuma bi ametro ye ntacha me de man realize your potential until na ye realize your potential series, the first seminar yedema, which is the second Sunday of the year 2021. Realize your potential, as I say, bibi o ha obetimi aye abrabono and tisa and some and the message is just like the me bana can ever go school now say me too I was here so so we just this morning message in the be emphasize say wasem we can and say ye ma me famu na enkwa ye me wo niam bebre a opese wode eye enti afia ye wuram fufure opese ye twin dwene egina so say there's something that God wants to use you for niam bo ho nyame pese ode wo ye ebro de wa ye dada no so ebro ne wa ye dada no so enti menyame kwan no fa wonye eno ne ade a ye dwene ho. The next slide ye repeat it last week there na ye team no afi team no ne sa realize your potential no na verse ye gina so a ye de ka ye de be ka asem e wo realize your potential no no e wo Philip fo nwoma etre mienu chemu du mienu ekopim du miensa. Philippians chapter 2 verse 12 to 13. Paul to Philip for say, continue to work out your salvation with fear and trembling, for it is God who works in you to will and to act according to his good purpose. So ye share Paul catch Korinto for us up for no say. Mon first row any ahopopo enya moa mon kwagye ho adwuma enwie. Na eye onyankopon ene oye adwuma no ewo mumu ewo de mo pe na mo ye nyina mo senia ebeso nani nyankopon epe ne se bibia wo de ahye mu ebema wa bobrabo. I like the statement back one around make answer no woko that God is interested in our secular life. A statement no kura say ye sebe honam famu abrabo aye bonoso no yakopon anigye ho enti moma ye ne ye bi before ye nye adwene say ye mpai bo ne ye ni man spiritual ene honhum mu nsem nko a ene yakopon anigye ho. That's why Matros Angman Pebito, Abraham was rich, Isaac was rich, Jacob was rich. Why not you? Abraham, when you ska, or you are the four, Neba, Isaac, you are the four, Nana, Jacob, you are the four. Now why? The Master Fufubians to say, Africa shall be free from poverty, fulfilling God's desire for the prosperity of Africa. A chat say, a basa say, ye be before so. Ye beje hu afri ohia adokro ye no because e nyankopon epe nyankopon ye ne deda se ninu mienu da bia na ye bobubuo e wa abrabom enu nti na fi mfiti ase ne pese ye de adwene nyina gina so se de na metimi aye de ne nyame epese me ye na me so me di mpuntuo eba mabrabom. Next slide no ye kan say so bedim kunem no hwe Philip for woman no ye betimi a chemu mienu ade na yankopon pe ena de na me so metimi aye sana Paul kayo his divine purpose, and he will give you the desire and the power. Yankopon epe fulfilling God's desire for the prosperity of Africa. Se ubenya nkwa no nya nkwa moroso eye Yankopon pe opeso ode saade ne hye wa komamu na wo ma utumi nso a ubetimi de aye. Last week me kan ho asem na se won so woni Yankopon enante ese woni Yankopon wodi suro no ahopopo prese. I like the African study Bible no say work out with fear and trembling, show out Work out to show results. Work out to show results. And I no pay. Say we tiak and come send me and sign a kind in yeah. When we say a kind for any power copen, Abraham. I can cancel more a dekai, a kind or Genesis chapter 11, a can Abraham a bush and four could see said, Yankopon and Samuel or catcher and Bosha or they call a could drew Canaan. Oba I can cancel more a tosso me Joshua. Ono so kasai e ka kire won se mom nana Abraham no say na no otie ena ye ba Stephen so answer na omo be si na bo no ade ba akwa ye mani kam wo Israel for ye say they knew their history e kwala ne bebre wo ho a wo munim asetena na omo enananom na omo nkrofo timu ni ba bi omo aba beduro eni hia se ono so ye no de to aso ye nara asase ni nananom aye bi aduru mra se ye bi to aso nanso wohwe ne ma ye mi be wi ameka mamu nsem ne kro ne ba otimu se the effort to asie nyina ye bi to aso ma o man ye nyina ye di here no our young people don't seem to know. And we don't seem to be telling them your school system no and wo mo ntrase pa nkyerɛkyerɛ wo mo anye ye kura no ese ohunu baabi a wo maame no papa fire ne baabi o mo aba beduro e kura bi ase ano o mo fire ene de o mo afamu a o mo de aba beduro na wo so de ba na wo betimi aye e de aboa. So let's take some time and look at Abraham. The next slide will tell us that Abraham, aneba akwa wa Abraham ho ne say he is the founder of monotheism. Monotheism as they say, one year omu gidi say nyame ba ko pe ene wo ho no. Na omu som say nyame no nko ayi no. Ono ene sa de ni mfiti ase. Nto de agidi no. Sa na moya otu ye no. O de agidi ni. Anyam soma ye friend Jew for soma ye friend Judaism no. Wo mu ka say na utie passages me ensan ye kan ni nyina. Wo mu ka ye ka ko free Abraham so. A Christopher so ye ka ko si Abraham so. Enkramofo Islam so wo mu ka ko si Abraham so. Enti wo ba anyam somo a efamu a nipa dodo a eye Christopher Judaism for ne nkramofo edo so chen woni asom bia no mumia nyina emfiti ase ene sa abema ya ye friend Abraham enti ye se ye ti Abraham ase den no benya enti na they can realize your potential ye mobrabo MFM I shall pass through this well but once. What are you leaving behind? Debe na obeja ewechire. Papa we say, sa anyam somo ameka say eye Judah for some a Christopher wo wiase nyina, ene nkramofo wo wiase nyina, eka kokosi Abraham. Ene se ne oni Yankopon efrase enante. Wani aka ni nyina ye kra ya bibremu hasoma ye som no. Ye gi Yankopon di se oho. But ye ji abusum nua sani nua ne nsuo ni kro ne banom ne ade enyina so ka ho bi tre bia no mo ye ya say oh ye no abusum no so na esum nyame da bi Abraham any Christosom any krabosom no enyi sa ne ma ni bia ntumu say nyame ba ko pe no na ese esum no. So don't tell me say oh ye nso enim say nyame wo ho ye no kre ye gidi say nyame wo ho but yesum a yesum no enye esomo a nyame ba ko pe no ha enko an yesum nsuo yesum nua yesum abosom aye abo ne ye de aguka ase animu ye twenwai ene ade ema abosom. But you can't have that ewo Abraham esomo a onyankopon enam ne so ebae no me bisa na no pense de mai na nyame de ato akoma so anye biye kran se nya wiase nyina mpo ena bete wonka ne de waya wobusua kakra no What have you left, or are you going to leave behind? Medikaka. Enti emra Joshua ene ne nkrofo hia na wo ba beja wo mo ekwan. Asama wo kan ye ene ade a mepese wo hye no nso. E kenka no papa no wo Volta region no kama the brofum. But Joshua chapter 24 asama Joshua e kan ne nkrofo no na mpese wo hye no nso. Ene anamoy a Abraham 2 year eno na mepese enano pay metwo adwene egina so. Joshua chapter 24 verse 2. Na Joshua ka kire o man nyina se Awurade Israel Nyankopɔn no asie ni esuoja ena mo agyanom Abraham agya ene Nahor agya Tera etenaye efritetete na wosom anyame foforo. Long ago, your forefathers, including Terah, the father of Abraham and Nahor, lived beyond the river and worshipped other gods. But I took your father Abraham from the land beyond the river. Stephen Sukasem Krono Ononso Menoko Sene Kenka Maye no Papa no Opoano ne Kenka Maye no and also call Asmafo Enyumanoa. Yechire no a oka amamre ne nsem a atwam chire ne nkrofo no ono so dia oka ye ni Acts chapter 7 ono so oka tudwa se ye nana na ose anuanom ne agyanom monya aso animonyam Nyankopɔn yi ne ho chire ye n'agya Abraham bra no wo Mesopotamia ansana obetena Haran no wakakyere ne se firi wasase eso no abusuamu na bra asase a mebekere wo no so. So the history is clear. Abraham no osom abosom one ne papa Terah ene baabi a no omo wo no baabi a na omo tie na ene eho ene oman a ye frɛ Iraq of the Chaldees no baabi a Euphrates no ebo epumu no ye frɛ ene Iraq eho na Abraham tie no omo som abosom fa nwoma bi a mekan ye wo se ukop edan bia mu a store bia mu a images abosom no ne ade a ena na nkrofo wo ho a ne etwa na Abraham papa kra shop ne bi wom, but he wasn't comfortable edieni abusafo na no pay dem pesa metwu adwene egina so ne se o kan brofo no a na no ye sia ade we wo fie ye twen adwene gina so pa Genesis chapter 12 no or say the Lord has said, the next slide please, the Lord has said to Abraham na onyankopon wo kan Bible no bia o say na Awurade ka kire is different. I want to emphasize had said na onyankopon ka kire Abraham no ka kire nsa onye den leave your country free fie. Genesis chapter 12 would ye free wasase so ene wa busuamu ene waja fie ekwa asase a mekyere wo no so ena no pay dem pesa metwu adwene gina so no ene sa word obroni word I was say leave your country, your people and your father's household and go to the land I will show you. Live free. Would you free wasase so ene wa busuamu ene waja fie ekwa asase a mekyere wo no so we hear ayino so a mature say live means a major transformation in one's life. Ayefro krofo ya ayefro aname kwa ayefro bi ase ko preach wo hona de e kan say Genesis chapter 2 verse 24 na wenti obema ebeja ne maame ne papa ho. A man would leave his father and mother and be united to his wife, and they will become one flesh. Obia oba warrior wuntimi nya wo maame no papa ho na da bia wo sa kwa maame no papa ho ena kwaji akwankyere na kodidie ena kwaji bibia no wunya mature wunyini. And no marriage can succeed if there is no living. Ebi ma wari omo maame no na control omo. They haven't left, and so that marriage cannot stand. Eti mo mi ehwe eniama Nyankopon ka kire Abraham say free one. The next slide. The living and its implications. Leave your country. I'm not going to tell you this morning, say, Kwaji visa, not to free Ghana. But the Bible, can, please, the next slide. The Bible, can say, leave your country. Matro has said, and near my bay and a year Ghana for your dream sure. So, what transfer being sooner more, won't even call one name da. What is the typical Ghanaian attitude to life? That you must leave behind you if you want to succeed. Adonso bebre. Your attitude towards time, your attitude towards work, emre, ejumae, your attitude towards what I mean right is my friend dependency syndrome. Obi meye maye. Asuma sima boye. When ye say, what is the Ghanaian attitude? Nyankopon ka kire me no ene se ne o ka kire Abraham say free sania manumu varo no de na se o free ho physically, but wo de na no kaya me can say there is a mental slavery. Ya dwene ayakwa wo niam bebre ho se ne ye ne dada no sa. When you come to Ghana, so when we be pie Ghana ha, now we share your television, your radio, ni kronebane the way ye nema. If you live in this country, now so by any send you will be a I can tell you, say, leave your country. Abraham said, leave your people. What are the typical tribal or ethnic mindset which negatively affect the way we think and behave? And Yama Bay, your people. One crofo, ya santifo, ya everfo, ya slimfo, ya fantifo. Say na san ye junior, ye near ye to say the way ye near my salon and why and my young quiet nim. In fact, so what time brochire pay? Because I brought for a chair, but I brought for simple honesty. One more keka, ya do stop, obey Gina. Yeah, the idea here, yeah, sunlight, when the diso, yeah, when ye say near the idea, simple things, near my boo, how to say, the way I am, an indisciplined society. And what we are, I won't call him. Ukwaya so happy say, na wunya po. We don't believe, say, Mina me shan so ya so, enti me hwa mo aye ne sa. No. Atala bia yama mu se wo ye ne ma na wo na wo ye bia, you become the odd one. Wo kura na fe wo atomu. Because anyama the way obi ye ne atala bia because emre bo bi atu mira bi twene na ye radio bi so asenso. I heard it in Accra. Na ade wo ya wa church also so kwa no papa there. If you live in a country with this kind of attitude, leave. Abraham Yankopon niema miensan was so free home. Leave your country, leave your people, leave your father's household. Sa attitude is said, and there manye ye mata kan wo radio ni TV so empe bebre. Yan yo mo ayeto. Metaye program ameka me wo me di ka jamo abusanfo me yare amonhwa me aw. These are the kinds of things you must leave. You must leave it. The mindset. Nyankopɔn ka kyerɛ Abraham said, leave your father's house, leave your country, and leave your people. Ntina Bible ka kyerɛ Roman form metre du mienu chimu baako ne mienu sɛ adwen foforo ye 2021 you want to continue to be like an Ghanaian. And I'm going to end up talking about we want to practice politics like we have always been practicing. We are never going to go forward. Leave. Onyankopɔn eka kyerɛ Abraham say free the crofom. Now what to boss here? The next slide, the question me bisa and say ehina Nyankopɔn, where did Abraham receive the call? Abraham received a call no bra na or ne papa and then maame nom ne busuafo ewo Mesopotamia of the Chaldees. Sana Stephen Ketchere Acts chapter 7 and Genesis chapter 12. God has said ne Nyankopɔn aka kyerɛ Abraham otobo asia wunya daje kan story no by Genesis chapter 11 Abraham ne papa no nyina free no mo koduru ba bia frɛ Haran no ene Syria ene o mo tena ho yemu bebre ho a anamo bu ho a yatu dada but enema bi so ho a eda so wie o mo tena Haran na Haran ho no na Terah wuye na Terah wuye na Abraham sin da bi nyame akasa akere me say mentu aso nko so I must continue. Abraham refused to stay at Haran and now no permit bisa say leave no enema bi ho a wa jemu ane but the bo ho a eda so di unya entiema wuntimi ni nkunim bia wo da wo sore be se de ben no do ni ade and last year you were doing the same, this year the same thing. Laziness, your attitude towards work. Munyae. Abraham continued from Haran. Wanka Haran. Ehi ne wadru. Ewo leave no a esese ye nyina ye gyae no. Ade ba ko na no pe me pese me twa adwene gina so kese pa eye de next slide no come. Was the call to Abraham alone. Sana next slide no maker. Abraham nkwan wo Yankopon eka se abosonsom eye ne tai. Enti obi a opese osom sa Yankopon no ontwe ne ho mfiri sa abosonsom no. Ono nkwan na Yankopon hwehwe ne mu a ene okofre no na oka sa asem ne kire no ana. Mo mabi ewa ha. Eye Jew ni na Troy. Rabbi Daniel Lapin. Osha ne ngoma metai kenka ne ngoma bia me de bikra ba happen. Na sama woka very interesting e bie ya ni wo niema bebre ho. O se ono na sama woka ne se sa ofra Yankopɔn ofra Abraham se on free ni krom ne papa fie ene ne nkrofo no onko no. O Yankopɔn be ka kire nipa na wo ho nyina. Now, he gives us even something, or say, the classic term, please put that on the term, Hebrew, one year, I saw for no Hebrew, I'm some don't bet you say, or see Hebrew word, it means Ivri. Now, Ivri means Hebrew. The Hebrew means one who crosses over. Hey, cross over, no, say, you drew her. Near the air crossover, I actually say, I fear not, so I'm just going to. I don't know why I am my who I want to say. I feel no sister. The Indian, you know, one said, Onyamia, so or the mere Radia Bay, or the Ebecha, or the Ebe Rafi from the Adred Onyamo. So we are just satisfied with just that we have moved from 2020 to what? 2021. But that is nothing. That is nothing. Say, and sister be my brabomua, you are still living in 2020. Say, when you said you are still in 2020. Because after all, what is 2020 and 2021? The earth continues to rotate around the sun. Yeni ani ati chemu amano. Ani ama oko around the sun 365 days. I see him say there 1 year. Or turning around in 24 hours 1 day. So change it's not that we have moved from 2020 to 2021. The change comes from you. Who free there by 2020 no ba 2021 and your time no aso no. Esa bibie ni wa asisa.
Nothing has changed.
Nothing has changed. So it was say ye can so be a Hebrew near where you will be a crossover. One of the important statements ya tro ho say or say Hebrew ni bia dia wo gidie ni say the classic term for the Jews Hebrew identify the children of Abraham chiefly as possessing this characteristic to recognize that their destiny is not engraved in stone. Yes, they know what 2020 no asa na so amotina 2021. Na brabo ti say. We mu bebre o ha ade ba ko ha me ne say ne asofo no bi sori a me ono no obesisa wo destiny. Destiny, nyo na asese obi destiny Onyankopon and asesa but Onyankopon wo toama obia Abraham ba Jew for rabbi for say ofre obia Onyankopon frɛ obia but it only Abraham who responded and said I will go. Are you doing that? Why then did God choose Abraham? The answer is that God did not choose Abraham. The command was offered to everyone, but only Abraham responded. Abraham thus chose himself. Abraham chose himself. Nti abusuafo ena no pay. The country one say abrabo ampadu jumba kuna ya me de papa obra ene wa wapo 2021 and need the wow obey.
And I receive it.
It's not I receive it. God's call is to everybody. In fact, when you come to salvation, there, whosoever will may come. There are so many opportunities for you. There are so many things you can do. But now, each of us is invited by God to depart from our comfortable situations to which we have become accustomed. But it's up to us to take heed of this invitation. Everyone in Abraham's generation heard God's call to reinvest himself or herself and redirect their footsteps, but only Abraham seized upon the challenge. Only Abraham. Your friends say your comfort zone. The enim dada no your pese ye huchire na ye Ghana ha de ye di bibia be kwa akoto edebe aban so na no pay me bisa say woda so te wo comfort zone de wunim dada no na woda so etim no say wo de eno na woda so ye ana say waboa wo ho say da bi asetra ne say de esitie yetremu saa emoaye anano pay me kan sure say Abraham friend enya Abraham dia wanya bibia wonu nkwa na no ho nya fenchen wo bia wonu nkwa no krom ho no mu nyina esem abosom baranye ye kra no otini bia ka kire ne say anase epa mu say sade ye sebe ye nkwase asem abosonsem ayankwase asem ayasisie, and people must move away from it. If you lived in 2020 and a who Ponsky schemes a buy any kwani enkrofo fa so man enkrofo sika say ya and then when you abiri abaso na woman when imre wa na can say I must change from this attitude. And never be bro how we in 2020 no. And so now we are how many days in 2020? 10 days, as I say. When you are say the way now you're on your man walk sister. The Bible this morning is telling you say leave When Bosha Yankupon de ma Abraham no, they were all contingent on Abraham leaving. Osimeye Wishra, the Obadumo or not Dumo, the Obey say, Mayo say, the Bayo say, Mayo say, add that say a fasa promises and Yankupon de ma Abraham no. But those promises in the Bayer Juma, I just Abraham I had bay, what free baby out here, through Chrome, through Crawford, through Papa Fiemu. You hold on. Now you ask for near bumper near catch on the favor of God and thereby receive. Receiving when the people have not made up their mind to live. But then in Saka when Yankupon Semushra or Brown no 1 year not gonna die. Send a quadron no bejai. On year not gonna die send San Warrior no bejai. On year not gonna say a Juma on quadro wo bejai. When you're not gonna say a Sisia or Sisi microphone no bejai. When you're not going to say na warrior and young men and Wabachun Wafi, the warrior no one. How do you receive when you have not left those things that have always become a hindrance to you? And now no pay. Yankopa Asemwa or they catch and I'm Abraham. So, but answer them the baby. My next slide is pointing out to where Ghana for. Is Ghana hearing the call of God for change? Ghana, or my friend in Ghana, ye bie ya so, e bie ye ni, e hunu Yankopon fra or frey, se, yansisa, na ye nyai, and yama bia ye ya, e di nya, ema yankwa ya nimno, yate. God is announcing it everywhere. The nipa bia womu bet duno atransi asese no man hunu se tibia ye womu emwaye no. They are the people who take advantage of Onyankopon efren. So as a nation ye wa man no ye ti Onyankopon fra wo de frɛ Abraham ne abusuafo nyina wo no de wo ti ya wo move out of it no. Mingmana de bia me kan asem se matro me bompa ye nuru March ending there at the latest. Ne enyanuma no ne ye di ho nkomo. Because enmana asma e kan nyina ne se ye governance system okwane aye fa so bu ye ma no e di enya e ma ye nkɔ ye nim. Hwe na wo hwe esi mu yi. Ene ma be ne si wo man mu. Ene ma mienu pe me de news amiti ene ma mienu pe ene si wo wiase. Ghana dear, I am my Ghana dear. Esi Yawada and American so dear, Esi Ukwada. The same things. The same issues they see. America, Capitol Hill. So when you'll be a winter news there, which is one parliament. And one Congress in this Senate in the Bia Ewo. Crawford Trump on some council I go there by attack capital. You can see somebody a speaker of Congress akonyaso. Now what say near ma ewo. America of all places, the symbol of America's democracy, so called, was attacked on Wednesday. Wo brand empany for shia our mo dwene say ye be to aba na ya declare say ya giatum say Joe Biden afi de wa win a battle. Trump ema announcement ema nkrofo call ho e say yenko say ene man. That happened on Wednesday. Yawada and I am see call your parliament. Say you see yi speaker ene kroneba na ya ye. Look at me the way more Abraham as America because there was situation be more situation and why and yet a young quay him as you say your buan near Guswa say yeah Kwaswa yeah and if we have a people who are not prepared to live woman ye crowd so mo be giant near manua and fata and more munku for a year no for a certain governance system. Said one yeah. Now we preaching wa yeah. Now my message was even in America, and Ghana sees America as the pattern of governance. So your media, you America no more style as the pattern that we must follow. Obia in America, one the best. That is the highest level. Even in America, the symbol of democracy. Now me tell you, German for say, yeah, Marshall Plan. Marshall Plan one. America they boy after the Second War, free economic hardship no. Say enya idea ben political Marshall Plan. No America free idea ben edontorium. And Ghana draws a constitution with two parties, MPP free tete, CPP now turns into their MPP NDC, and they keep on fighting, and they go somewhere select here, and then they are fighting, and then everybody sit back, and then a soldier for VPO. That is not the issue. What we see a Ghana for, if there's confusion there, order must be brought to into the parliament. And that is a question I hear a lot of the media people asking. We must leave the system. Because when you do that two-party system in America, the Democrats and the Republicans see themselves as rivalries who must by all means move away and destroy Omoyonkono. We see the same thing. Our Ghana, MPP, NDC, rivalries who must destroy each other. Anye ye krana say ye bie ni a anka ba ye tu ye nyame di bie ni aka kire say nyamu na mokọ decide ye say me de ma na no samina me ka say ye bompa ye na nyame tie ya ye mpa ye awotie ya ne abato no resource ye nya ye no. That for the first time the two parties adabia omokon have the same numbers, they go to parliament and umpo our nyina the same numbers. Look at the confusion that they have there. Everybody rejoicing over the other. So, no, why you say one way, you say any other. And for the first time, God is saying, look, you people must learn. Say, and yet, Samidano meet here, son, and the other catcher will say, now, best swear bag me in. You can say, on say, Major Homer Dinukre Ama NDC about a government. No, he said for the government of Ghana. On also swear MP for no in while more beer party beer see on bedino cre ama or maya a friend in Ghana. So why is it that after all that president and the vice president so they said the same thing? So what should be their priority? We must leave that adversarial politics. South politics na no. Near dear Ura 2020 in spite of all that God is revealing and showing us no. Leave. My people Ghana, leave. Because the way I'm on I'm arguing and say, Muna moon demonstrate some moon in politics, no. Yes, say, now no make a mimbuba waitra branch, even no antima say, or before who could deny yano, and the two atia canon, now so, bordier, bedemu airquay. Very beautiful proverb I can for aircan, or before who could deny yano, on the two atia canon. Now also bordier bedemu quay. We thought that we are following America. Now the America bayano and be near America no munua or also only the beacon of democracy or mudi obiesiwa the Statue of Liberty nekronebano. Look at what they are doing, and you think that that system ever boawa ama wo watimi anya fa ahudi ama won krofo afiri wo hiamu a Yankopon ka kire na no pese leave. Are we prepared to throw away behind us those kinds of things? Now, I think I've written in my notes here, the writing is on the wall. Yakupo Kache said, MYA. The writing is on the wall. We need the Daniels to interpret the writing which is on the wall. No more be any mayehuna. You bet this animal home come as the time goes on. Never be brave or ha, SCSM. Na mayetimi ye nyasa ndemana nto antwene na ye free 1957 at the two party system akotokwa saa aba bedru 2021 and aso kotokwa ema MPs bro mo ho parliament to say the America for so ye wo Capitol Hill no. How can we be delivered? Yakopon say leave and now no pay the asem na be wie wa brabom leave Omano leave. Na say any aya brabo mu. Ye trust in yes se. Near who said there be 2020 a chem 2021 aba. But the way I'm a year near man. Me trust yen is mwame nyame be hu mobo. To say ne hu Abraham no shra no ma Abraham abe shra. Dina ka ba bia na anye ye kra no obusuam anu fie. Sa no man Ghana so. Mama yen free enema ye ya enye no. In the course of the year, we'll talk about these issues. The constitution was made for Ghana and not Ghana for the constitution. The constitution, yeah, we need to review the constitution.
Somebody has to be bold enough.
We need to do it.
We need to do something.
We need to do it. And I've heard the message me tell me, yes, to say that the Sabbath was made for man, but not man for the Sabbath. I don't think I are tied to constitutional. I'm a fan with it. Not two parties now, and actually a dog, and a son, a tribumwa, or Baku, 8 million young Kuna, wo yin show, no, any the dead, and no Syria. How can we be helped if we continue this way? God is saying, leave. Amen.
Adom Bishop Kantanka a books for fra wachono ababontin needing the Africa shall be free from poverty, fulfilling God's desire for the prosperity of Africa. Yeka say moi ye say Africa be free ohiem na ya fayentu mapa efra se ni Nyankopon ahehye ede amaye no. Books no ye volume 1, volume 2 and volume 3. Ye beka ne say ye 3 in 1 etwa so onya volume 1 e wo so unya volume 2 ne 3 ka ho na aboawo na wate enema no asiye. Books ne miense nyina ebo 50 Ghana cedis. Nti se okura 50 Ghana cedis a ubenya sa books miense nyina na wokan a ubeye inshira Yankopon inshira.
Adofo ojidisa enano penso so why inshira bebre say message a woti ye ana message a debia woti woni jihu na o find person we beauty a your Facebook page and your YouTube page address na ye Bishop Kantanka Teaching Ministry ukoha messages ni bebre wo pa ebenya bi assign etie bio Bishop books a wacho enso so wo pebi ato na wakan ni wesua enso so buy an office ewo Trinity building asida house a ubenya messages no ana ubenya books ni bi ato ye bi so egu CD so audios enso so a obetimi enya bi ato na aboawo na empo wani eje Bishop eniswade ewu na Nyankopon ede amana na oto so wo dwumadi enso so a obetimi afrɛ ɛwɔ numbers a ɛwɔ screen yi ase ofrɛ a yɛnu ebedi nkita ho na yɛakyerɛ wo ɛkwan a wobɛfa so a obetimi aboa dwumadi Nyankopon nhyira sɛ oyɛ saa. Amen.